Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and today we have with us the Honor Play. This is an insanely fast phone. This is crazy fast, crazy smart, and we are going to do a fast unboxing of the same to match up to the speed of this phone. This is artificial intelligence enabled smartphone with Kirin 970 processor, top of the line CPU, and we are going to give you a quick unboxing and give you a quick and fast feature overview of the same. So the first thing in the box is the phone itself. The Honor Play with beautiful 6.3-inch FHD plus full screen display, and it comes with a lot of features, and I'll show you that in a moment. So I'll just keep it to the side while I'll show you what else is in the box. So here you have another small box which comes with a SIM ejector tool, some documentation which includes a quick start guide and a warranty card, and you also get a soft silicone back case right inside the box, which is a good thing. And then you have a charging cable, which is a USB type A to type C cable, and you get a fast charger included in the box. So it is a fast phone which comes with a fast charger. It has fast charging support, which makes your life much faster. Here we have the Honor Play. This is edge-to-edge display and comes with 6.3 inches display size in a very compact body and very handy to use. It comes in this beautiful black color. There's also a blue color option available. There's a fingerprint scanner at the back, Honor branding. It comes with dual artificial intelligence enabled cameras. These are 16 plus 2 megapixel camera sensors at the back. It can identify from among 22 different sort of scenes, even with the complex combinations. And in terms of front camera, there is a 16 megapixel shooter. You get some sensors, etc. on the front. The phone is really fast and very responsive. It comes with EMUI or Emotion UI 8.2 and Android Oreo 8.1 right out of the box. It comes with portrait mode, and there is 3D lighting, as you can see here. You can take some very interesting portrait shots with this front facing camera. In terms of gaming also, this is super loaded. It comes with GPU turbo feature, gives you 60% better performance with 30% less battery consumption. With the AI enabled Kirin 970 processor, gaming is a breeze on this phone. Apart from that, there is face unlock, party mode, and high touch visual recognition. So if you want to buy something, just click a picture of it and the high touch feature lets you recognize that object. Open the link on Amazon and you can directly buy it from there at a starting price of just 20,000 rupees with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and with a higher variant available with 6GB of RAM. This phone is a performance powerhouse at very aggressive pricing. It comes with beautiful display, amazing set of cameras, artificial intelligence inbuilt, great gaming modes including 4D gaming experience, GPU turbo, and a fast Kirin 970 processor. This is the phone to go with if you're looking for a beautiful phone, a high performance phone, and an insanely fast and smart phone. I'm leaving the Best Buy links to this phone in the video description. Do go and check it out. The links are provided down in the video description. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.